The question says pick up the correct statement about alkyl halide. The first statement says they show hydrogen bonding. Keep in mind alkyl halide do not show hydrogen bonding because in alkyl halide carbon halogen bond is there. Carbon halogen bond. If hydrogen is attached to nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, then hydrogen bonding is present, otherwise there is no hydrogen bonding. The second statement it says that they are soluble in water. Keep in mind water is polar by nature. Polar by nature. Okay, water is polar by nature. Here we have polar by nature. Why? Because oxygen is having a two lone pair. Now if we talk about alkyl halide, so pay attention carefully. If we have the lowest member of alkyl halide, let's say we have methyl chloride is there. In this case polarity is there because Cl is more electronegative than carbon. Cl will carry partial negative charge and carbon will carry partial positive charge there. Due to some polarity it will be soluble in water to some extent. It is not highly soluble because this is a carbon. Okay, carbon. Now if we go for the higher member of alkyl halide, so this alkyl group, in this alkyl group number of carbon atom will keep on increasing, C and this is Cl there. Here we have polarity there, partial negative charge, partial positive charge, and this portion is completely non-polar by nature. Non-polar by nature. If we talk about higher member of alkyl halide, this non-polar group will be dominating polar group. That's why polar part becomes completely insignificant. It is not considered. Okay, so since they are non-polar by nature, higher member of alkyl halides are completely non-polar by nature, hence they are not soluble in water because we have the concept like dissolves like. Non-polar dissolves in non-polar and polar dissolves in polar. Okay, so that's why higher member of alkyl halides are not soluble in water. Why? Because they are having large non-polar group. And one more thing, here we have lowest member. Let's say if we talk about methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, so lowest member of alkyl halide are soluble in water. So it is covering only one or two compounds which are soluble in water, but wide range of alkyl halides are insoluble in water because they are having non-polar group. Okay, now when we talk about option C, there they are soluble in organic solvent. Keep in mind organic solvents are non-polar by nature. For example, we have benzene is there, benzene, carbon tetrachloride is there, we have ether is there. These are the non-polar solvent, and obviously most of the alkyl halide in which number of carbon atoms are present in the alkyl group, they are also non-polar by nature. So non-polar will dissolve in non-polar. That's why maximum number of alkyl halides are soluble in non-polar solvent. They are organic solvent means non-polar solvent. Obviously we can say option C is correct. If we talk about D option, they do not contain any polar bond. Polar bond is there. Why? Because you can see carbon halogen bond is there, polarity is there, polarity is there, polarity is there, but this polarity is dominated by the long chain of carbon atoms in the alkyl group. So we can say they have the polarity, but it is insignificant. But we cannot say no, they do not carry any polar bond. Polar bond is there, but because of the number of carbon atom being increased in the alkyl group, polar part becomes insignificant. Option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.